Hello guys, so this is a normal car seat belt. You just press it in, and when you press here it releases, and as a result, when in case of any accident, if someone is using this airbag goes off, and all the airbags from here inside in case from here. But many times the airbag don't go off in the back because maybe someone is not sitting there, or it could go off. But anyway, so I just wanted to be creative and show you, like, I know a lot of people don't like to put the seat belt, but they should put the seat belt. But let's see if I can make my car full and not use the seat belt and not getting any beep. So a lot of time you get this sign because you are not wearing the seat belt. So I'm gonna make a dummy with air freshener and see if this works. So guys, don't take this video seriously because I'm just showing you for educational purposes only. Alright, so I'm gonna cut it according to this seat belt, and I'll keep it longer so this don't stuck. Don't hate me for this. Okay, so let's see if this goes in. Okay, so as I'm trying, this goes in and come back, as you can see, but there is no hole, and that's why it's not staying there. Okay, let's cut the middle. So guys, I'm using this sharp knife to cut it. So guys, I cut it, so let's just peel it off. So guys, here it is now, and if you compare with this, it's like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and try. Now this looks a little damaged, but still, let's put it in. It does not work like before now because it's got a little beat up. I'm still pressing it. It's a bad idea. Okay, so the paper failed. Okay, but next I'm gonna try with the plastic, because this paper did not work, the car air freshener. You guys can see it. So let's just try with this one. This is a display glass fixer. So let's cut it. It's pretty hard. And I'm gonna do this side, onto this side. the tall side. Maybe a little more. Okay, this goes in. Alright, now I have to cut the middle. The same knife. So guys, I was able to cut the plastic 3 sides. Now I only do this side, and it looks like plastic is cracking. So I don't know. I'm not saying you use it, I'm just showing if this stops my seatbelt sign off. Okay, let's put it in. Alright, so it looks like this hold this here, and I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. And I don't see any seatbelt sign. Do you see? I don't see it.
Need to format the SD card.
Alright, so let's just remove this.
The SD card.
And I see the seatbelt sign. So do you think don't hate me for this, I'm just showing for educational purposes only. You should always put your seatbelt on for yourself, for your family, for safety. But in case or in emergency, if anybody wanna do this experiment, or if you have a bad sensor or something, so you can just stick it in, you don't want to take the risk.
Continuous recording will now start.
And if you can't avoid it, let's say you have a bad sensor here, and you want to use it, you can use it like this. And thank you so much, guys. If you think you learned something new, please like, share and subscribe, but don't hate me.